Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and I have another spring clean with me for you. If you're new to my channel, I'd love to have you click that subscribe button. And if you're already a subscriber, don't forget to click the bell so you will not miss another video. Leaves are falling down. It's another beautiful day in Florida. I can open up the windows today, but look at how nasty they are. Yeah, that will get done today, hopefully. Now I know what it means to grow. I'm going to start here with the couch, but first I need to put this laundry away that I folded last night and never put away. It is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by. Okay, I'm not sure Miss Cow Cow is going to cooperate today. I need to clean the couch, Callie. Okay, first let's check my master list. So I talked about this in a previous video. I am doing quarterly cleaning, so now it is spring, March, April, May. I'm trying out this system that, I created myself. It's not new, but it's other people do quarterly budgeting, quarterly cleaning, and so I thought I would try that. So these are the things that I got done in February when we were doing the living room makeover. And I have another list of on my daily list of the things that I want to get done today. Now I know. Okay, if you're new to my channel, know that I'm an OCD list maker. So I got this free printable list from Green Child magazine, and I will put the link down below. All you have to do is sign up for their newsletter, and they will send you an 81-page planner, which includes this list. Okay, just to give you a bit of a timeline, it is 11 o'clock, and I'm going to try to drink 3 waters today. The time of God, it is just enough. I'm going to make a quick decor change before I move the cushions around. So I use this tray when I'm sitting here watching TV, doing my planning. So I thought I would use it as decoration on the table. Function, decoration. So plus this big, huge basket is way too big for this coffee table, which that coffee table is not staying. That is a kid's table, and I'm still looking for a coffee table, and I'm still haven't finished decluttering the decor from the living room makeover. I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time. Okay, I'm going to use my handy dandy handheld shark vacuum. If you're interested, I will put a link down below. I friggin' love this thing. So the couch is not actually that dirty. We've only had it a month, but there are crumbs on there because we eat dinner here. I don't know, just something that we do right now. Sometimes that changes. So right now we've been eating because we've been enjoying the couch. So I am going to move all the cushions to the right. So they tend to get squished down, and the back cushions tend to slump forward a little bit when we're sitting on it because we're sitting on the same spots. So I'm going to move them around. I'm going to try to do this once a season at least so that they don't get so slumpy, and I'll show you what I mean by that in a minute. And again, they're not that bad because we've only had this couch for a month, but we've had a previous couch that looked like this, and it can get slumpy. Sometimes I understand I'm making all the wrong demands in life. It never pays in the end, but still I am here, moving on like before. Okay, see how the upper part of the cushion is slouching forward? That was the cushion where hubby was sitting on the left side of the couch. So I'm going to turn it around because it won't fit otherwise, because these are the end pieces. So now it's slouching backwards and looks much better, and I will be doing that on a regular basis, so it looks nice. Okay, so I already washed this blanket last week, and I washed Callie's bed, which she's not even sleeping in, so that's all taken care of. I do have one other blanket that is in the dryer, and I'll go get that.
The time I've got, it is just enough to get by. Yeah, it is just enough to get by.
See by the walls that we still are in the midst of this makeover. I don't know. It's going to take a little while longer. We are going to be working on it again sometime this week. To watch episodes 1, 2, and 3 of my family room makeover, I will put the link down below. Okay, I'm going to take a little water break, and then I'm going to move on to the ceiling fan. Hey guys, this is a collab put together by Kimberly Davis at Diva Designing on a Dime. We are spring cleaning every Tuesday in March, so don't miss another video. You need to click that subscribe button and check out the playlist below and Kimberly's channel.
At least they grow back while I'm on a one-way track.
Okay, so that fan duster, you'll see in a second, is not going to work on this fan. I'm not sure what I was thinking. These blades are a little different than on a regular fan, so I have to use a cloth and wipe it down, which I needed to do anyway, because just dusting it, I mean, it is spring cleaning, to me is not enough. And actually there was some like grease gunk on there, I'm guessing because it's adjacent to the kitchen, that it gets a little gunky, you know, kind of like the cabinets too, a little bit above the stove. I don't know, I'm not really sure. So I tried dusting with this. Yeah, that wasn't doing it. I had to get the cloth and the cleaner, and just dusting it was not going to be enough.
Sometimes I understand I'm making
Okay, I'm getting quite the workout going up and down the ladder. Who needs the gym, right? So I wasn't going to clean the glass globes for the lights, but you know, I'm like, shall just finish it. So I pushed through, but I was unable to get one of those off. It was screwed on way too tight. I'll have to get my handyman, aka Gary, to do that for me the next time he comes over.
Yeah, now I know the time I got.
Okay, now I'm washing the little light globes, whatever you call them. I could probably just wipe them down, but yeah, I was feeling like they needed wash. They actually weren't really that dirty. It just made me feel better that I actually washed them instead of just wiped them down. I don't think I've actually taken them off since we've lived here. Maybe one time. And we've been here for 8 years.
Yeah, it is just enough to get by.
Okay, look how nasty that microfiber cloth is. Okay, now I need to vacuum up the dust, and the ladder left the marks on the floor, so I'm going to have to mop. I'm just going to spot mop because I actually fully vacuumed and fully mopped the floor here last night.
I never felt tomorrow closing in this fast. Oh, I guess time's in a rush.
Okay, my mop is looking like I need to wash it if I could figure out to get the head of it off of there. I do have another one, but this is removable and you can wash it, so I need to do that.
Now I know.
And moving on to cleaning the sliders, and I'm using these blue paper towels that I got from the automotive section at Walmart.
They are like heavy duty, and you only need 1 or 2 to clean a window. So, and this big window I'm talking, I only use 2. And I'm using the 7th generation glass cleaner. Anything that I'd mentioned in this video, I will put the link down below. I get my 7th generation cleaners from Target online and have it shipped right to my door. It's free. So, okay, I'm only cleaning the inside of the slider because later on this month, I will be doing a deep cleaning of the patio, the back porch, and I'm going to be using the hose and cleaning the track. You'll see here in a minute how nasty it is, and then the outside of the windows get way dirtier than the inside. You can imagine, with, you know, dust from the lawnmower and just being outside in the elements.
But still I am here, moving on like before.
Okay, the track is really nasty, but I'm gonna wait until I clean the patio. That is something I'm going to do on another day. Okay, on to cleaning the outside of the windows. Oh my god, the tracks were so nasty. The whole windows were so nasty. I'm just wondering if that was because of the 2 hurricanes that we went through the last couple years, and the windows never actually got cleaned after those. So, getting to it now.
What it means to grow.
I'm just using the push broom with some soap. It's just the easiest way to get all this dirt and grime off the windows. And as I'm watching the screen, I'm noticing it's looking a little peaked. I think I might need to replace this screen, and I'm making a mental note of that. Okay, on to the next window, and actually I also do the next window, which is not in the family room. It is in hubby's office downstairs. I go ahead and do that too while I'm at it, at least the outside anyway.
In a rush, leaves are falling down.
Alright, I got a little overzealous, and since I already had the hose out, I decided to clean the track of the slider. It's looking a little better, but I'll still need to tweak it when I clean the patio.
What it means to grow old.
Okay, after doing the insides of both of these windows, trust me, I did the other window, but all you saw was my backside, and nobody wants to see that. Anyhow, it looks like the outside of the windows also need Windex, but yeah, I'm not doing that today. They were just really dirty that I needed to do more than Windex them, so I had to really scrub them down. So that's for another day. Okay, just checking things off my list and making a note that I need to change out the screens probably. And I still need to Windex the outside of the windows. Do you guys call it Windex? I don't know. I don't even use Windex anymore. But I use the different, the 7th generation cleaner, but I don't know, I still call it Windexing. What do you know, there's a difference between cleaning and Windexing. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below what you call it. So I'm just marking down that I did some of these things on my master list in March. That's what the M is for. But then again, like I said, I'm making a note of what still needs to be done, which is not really too much.
What it means to grow old. Yeah, now I know the time I got, it is just enough.
Okay, I almost forgot about the blanket in the dryer, so I'm gonna go get that and put that on the couch.
What it means to grow.
And just like that, it is 2:36. I can't believe it took me that long to do all that. I did take quite a lot of breaks, and I am going to take a break now. As a matter of fact, I might just take a nap with Cow. So don't forget to tune in next week when we will be doing the kitchen, and check out the playlist below after you're done watching my video. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.